Hello guys and welcome to TechTricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to use threads on Instagram. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to know is that Thread is a new app by company that also runs the Facebook and then of course the Instagram. So the first thing that we need to do is of course download the Thread app, and what's fascinating is that you could actually connect your Instagram to your Threads app and also from your Facebook. Now, in your Instagram, the first way to download the Threads or the Thread app is to go on the Instagram app and then click the profile picture on the bottom right corner. Once you click that, click the three horizontal line on the top right corner, and then after that just scroll down until you see Threads, which is right here. So all you have to do is to click that. So if you haven't downloaded Threads yet, you will be redirected in the Play Store, right? But as you can see right here, I have already downloaded it. So here it is. I'm redirected to the Thread app. But the second way that we can do is to go just on the Play Store or the App Store and then just search for Threads. And then once you do that, just click install right here and then wait for it to finish. Now, once you're now downloaded or once you have downloaded the app, just click open. And then as you can see, just like what I have mentioned earlier, you can connect your Threads on your Instagram account. You can use a different account if you want to, but I will just use my Instagram account right here. So I'm just gonna click this one right there. And once I click it, we will have an option if you want to public our profile or if you want to private it. So I will just click private right here and then just click continue. And then you can also follow people you have already followed on the Instagram. So I will just skip it. And then after that, this is how Thread works. So it is powered by Instagram. The content visibility is just like from the Twitter. You know, if you've known Twitter for a long time, then you will get used to this new app quickly. And then of course your data will be protected. So let's now click join Threads right here. So once you click join Threads, you will be right here. You will be redirected right here. So it's almost alike with the Twitter or the X app. So the only thing is that it is run by Instagram. So it's like they're a competition. Now, of course, we can post. We can also include pictures, videos, and so on. So to tackle about the first, let's talk about the parts right here, which is the home page. So if you click the home page, it's the For You page or the news feed that you will see on your Threads app. And then once you click the search icon, here you can search a lot of contents or Instagram or accounts that you can follow. So you can just search something right here. Then you can just add their account if you want to. And then also, of course, their post right here. And then let's go here on the heart icon. So this is where you will see all of the activity of your Threads app. So if you have like some posts or if you have some like videos, this is where you will see them. Now going on to the profile icon, if you click the profile icon, this is where your profile will look like. So I haven't posted anything. So this is where you can add your profile photo. You can create thread. You can follow up to 5 photos and of course add bios. It's pretty much like a Twitter account. And then just go here on the repost and then you will see all of the reposts that you have posted. Now to profile, you can do this right here. And then after that, let's go now on this part, the 2 horizontal line. So this is the settings wherein you can see the follow and invites, the notification, the liked photos, the saved videos or photos, privacy, and so on. And then this is where you will also be able to log out or switch profile. Now going on, let's say for example that we wanted to post a thread on Threads app. All we have to do is to click this one icon right here or the plus icon. And once you click the plus icon, you will be able to add some text. So let's say for example, example right here, example 1, 2, 3. You can add some videos if you want to. So let's say for example, let's add this one. And then after that, you can also add some hashtags if you want to. And then of course, the location if you want to. Now, the next thing that we need to do is we can also add threads right here. So let's say for example, example 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also add another one. And once you're now done with this, once you post it, this is what you will see. So let's view. Let's wait for that to finish. As you can see right here, this is what it looks like once you post a picture or video in Threads. So it's pretty much like a Twitter. Once you click that, you will see all of the replies right here. You can also click a heart react. You can also share. You can also repost. You can also share this one. And then you can send it to someone. And then of course, you can also delete this post if you want to. So just click delete. And then the content will now be removed from the Threads app or from your profile picture. And so that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.